Good day, friends. It is me, HLModTech, and I've had a couple users asking how to submit assignments using Michigan Virtual. So, my friends, let's get cracking. All right, friends. So, with any of these projects, make sure you read them carefully. You can see here I've got my data for a few days, and then it says subtract the previous temperature, which was 60, from the current. Well, we had to skip the first day, obviously, so that's why it's 65 take away 60, which is a positive 5, and we put that out here. The next day, since the temperature was lower, it's 55, and then you take away the number that was previous. 55 take away 65 is negative 10, and that's how you're going to find all your numbers for this project to fill it in all the way down. The only line that gets left blank is this top one. When you've completed that, make sure you've written your mathematical expression, and then down here explained your answers. When you've finished that, in order to turn it in, you need to do File, and you need to download. My favorite way to have you download it is as a PDF. Yours will most likely download automatically, and then you can click this arrow to show it in the folder. When you see that, you should see your Downloads folder, and then it's time to go turn it in. We can do that by revisiting the home page, clicking on Start Here, finding our assignment, which was strategies for real numbers. And then on this 30-point assignment, you can upload your project. Remember, it was downloads, and there is my Mike H project option 1. When you hit upload, you can add a comment if you want. And when you hit submit, it'll be turned in. Alrighty, friends, so that's how easy it is to upload an assignment into Michigan Virtual. Friends, if you found the video useful, please give it a like. If you've got a question, comment, or a suggestion, add it down below. If you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button, and last but not least, hit that notification bell if you want to be the first to know when there's a random video from me, HLModTech. Thanks for watching.